3 decks, 4 places to be outside. Pick one. Built in Pesaro by a yard that has spent more than 5 decades figuring out what people actually want from time on the water. The Grande Trideck is what happens when the answer is more of it. The D2P propulsion system means you go further without thinking about fuel, which means you stay out. 125 feet, moving efficiently across open water. You leave the marina, and the run feels easy, not heavy. There is no point where this boat asks you to cut the day short. Beach club at the waterline, main deck terrace above that, the sea view terrace above that, open to the air, open to the horizon, no glass between you and the breeze, sundeck at the top when you want to be above everything. 4 levels, 1 platform, beach club opens to the sea, so the swim is 3 steps. The sea view terrace is where you eat dinner while the sun drops. The range on this hull means a passage overnight is a real option. 6 stateroom groups on board, and nobody is ever in anyone's way. End of the day, on the Trideck, you are not looking for somewhere to sit. You already have 4 options. M2 Atelier built an interior that knows when to get out of the way and let the water do the work. This is a boat you live on from sun up to long after dark, and every level of it earns its place. For full specifications and availability, visit yachtspecsdirect.com. I'm Kaya from Minted Yachts. For additional information, feel free to email me at info@mintedyyachts.com or hit us up at yachtspecsdirect.com. New to yachting? Then grab our free buyer's guide at yachtbuying101.com and find your water.